If you're new to credit or trying to rebuild your score, the Tomo credit card might have caught your eye, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another secured card. The surprising truth is, Tomo is an unsecured credit card that reports to all three major bureaus and doesn't require a credit check to apply. Here's how it works. Tomo uses your banking history, income, and cash flow to determine eligibility. So even if you have limited or poor credit, you may still be approved. There's no deposit required, which sets it apart from traditional secured cards. The card also offers rewards 1% cashback on purchases and low fees compared to other cards targeting people building credit. The application process is simple, entirely online, and approval can be instant. You can use the card for online and in-store purchases immediately after approval through a virtual card, which is great if you need access before the physical card arrives. Another plus is the app, which tracks spending, payments, and credit score updates in real time. The downside is that Tomo doesn't offer extensive rewards like some mainstream cards, and the credit limit may be lower than what more established cards provide. But for building or rebuilding credit, it's effective because it reports activity to all bureaus and encourages responsible usage. In conclusion, the Tomo credit card is a solid option for anyone looking to establish or rebuild credit without making a security deposit. Its ease of use, no credit check application, and credit reporting make it one of the best beginner-friendly credit cards today. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools that help you improve your credit safely.